Hi everyone, Sorofata here from Cigarettes and welcome to another video. Today we're talking all things going shopping for groceries. All things going shopping. How would you describe getting ready with your bags and paying and packing and all that stuff? Join me for this video and hope you've been liking our series thus far. Remember to like, share, subscribe, all the good things. Let's get started. So, before you go shopping, you make a list. You write what is needed in a list, what you're going to need in a list. Then, sepachi. Sepachi is a wallet. Wallet, yeah? Sepachi. Or, madi. Madi is money. Madi is money. Just literally, or as a tangent, Madi also means blood. But in this context, Madi is money. So, utsaya Madi agago, ukwala se se tlhokegang, o ya di shopong. That translates to, you take your money, you write what's needed, and you go to the shops. When you get to the shops, you're pulling things into the trolley. Trolley. Don't think there's a Setswana word for trolley, but khurumetsa is to push. Khurumetsa trolley. You might ask for the prices if you've gone to a market and you're like, oh, I like these potatoes. Ditapole. Kibukai. Kibukai means you're asking the person who's selling how much they are, right? If they haven't written $2 per kilo or whatever. Kibukai. Kibukai means how much, right? And in a market setting, you can haggle. But like when you go to a proper shop, you don't haggle because that's the price. So, how much? Kibukai. Then, you might ask, where do I pay? Kiduela kai. Kiduela kai. Duela is to pay. Kai is where. So where do I pay, right? Where do I pay? That might be at the market where it's not very clear. Then you ask, may I pay with a card? Is it possible for me to pay with a card? That would be at a market where you're like, do you guys take cards or do you just deal with cash? Am I able to pay duela? Karata. Karata is a card, right? May I pay with a card? Do you take payments in card? Then, after you've done that, you pack your stuff because you've paid for them. You're not asking whether you're paying with a card at a proper shop because we can pay with a card there. But that's at a market or, you're buying basket from the lady on the side of the road. You might ask. And then you pack your stuff. Puta di toto. Di toto means your luggage literally, but it's kind of the stuff you've gotten, your things. And then you say thank you. Manners. Maidzeo. Very important. Ke a leboga. Thank you. Ke a leboga. Thank you. Then you say goodbye. Khosiame. Khosiame means bye. So now you know, before you leave your house, you make sure you have your wallet, sepachi, you have your money, madi, and you have a list. You know what you need, right? Because we practice financial literacy and being a savvy shopper. Then you go buy the stuff. Reka dijo, reka di toto. Buy. Reka is buy. And then you come home with them. And you are polite. You say hello to the person who's helping you. Dumelara. And you say, Khosiame ke a leboga. So, hope you learned something. Till next time. Khosiame. Bye.